How does citizenship-based taxation, CBT, work for Americans abroad? Imagine living in Europe and feeling like you're paying taxes only in your new country. But with the United States, things work differently. The U.S. taxes its citizens on their worldwide income no matter where they live. That means even if you are working or retired in Europe, you still have to file a tax return with the Internal Revenue Service every year. This system is called citizenship-based taxation. It's been part of U.S. law since the Civil War era to prevent citizens from hiding income abroad. And like most countries that tax based on where you live, the U.S. requires all citizens to report their global income, even if they owe no U.S. tax. So, if you live in Paris or Berlin, you still need to report all your earnings to the IRS. To avoid paying taxes twice on the same income, the U.S. offers some help. The Foreign Earned Income Exclusion allows Americans living abroad to exclude a certain amount of foreign income from U.S. taxes. For 2023, that amount is up to $96,400. You must meet specific rules, like living outside the U.S. for at least 183 days in a year. There is also the foreign tax credit. This lets you subtract the taxes you paid to a European country from your U.S. tax bill. For example, if you paid $2,000 in taxes to France, you can claim that as a credit against your U.S. taxes. But these options do not eliminate all your reporting duties. You still need to file the annual tax return and report your worldwide income. Americans abroad also have to follow the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, or FATCA. This law requires reporting foreign bank accounts and assets if their total value exceeds certain thresholds. For individual accounts, the limit is $50,000 at the end of the year or more. For joint accounts, the threshold is higher. If you do not report these accounts, you could face penalties. Living in Europe means managing two sets of tax rules. Many European countries tax residents based on where they live, not citizenship. So, you might pay taxes in your country of residence and still need to file with the U.S. government. To do this correctly, it's wise to work with tax professionals familiar with both systems. They can help you claim the right exclusions and credits and ensure you stay compliant. There are ongoing talks about changing the law to switch from citizenship-based to residence-based taxation. This would mean Americans abroad only pay U.S. taxes on income earned within the United States. But for now, the law remains as it is. In simple terms, Americans living in Europe must file a U.S. tax return every year, report their worldwide income, and possibly pay taxes or claim credits. They also need to disclose foreign bank accounts under FATCA. Because the rules can be complicated, getting legal and financial advice tailored to your situation is a smart move. Staying informed helps you manage your finances smoothly while enjoying life abroad.